A Muslim's kindness towards a Jew is a powerful reminder of humanity's capacity for compassion beyond lines of faith and identity. A single act of kindness throws out roots in all directions, and the roots spring up and make new trees. Amelia Earhart. He who saves a single life saves the world entire. The Talmud. Peace cannot be kept by force, it can only be achieved by understanding. Albert Einstein. Faith is taking the first step even when you don't see the whole staircase. Martin Luther King Jr. The greatest use of life is to spend it for something that will outlast it. William James. Courage is resistance to fear, mastery of fear, not absence of fear. Mark Twain. Remember, kindness defies boundaries and creates a legacy of hope.